Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include premium sound system, cloth seats, rear view camera, Toyota Entune. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 4Runner. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Program. It's the smart choice.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.